Good morning, folks. It's another day, another caftan, and this is day 4 of our sourdough mother culture experiment. Day 4, mine's sort of not looking very, like there's not a lot of action going on. I don't know what yours is looking like. I covered mine inside, but it smells good. It actually smells better than yesterday. So, and there are tiny little bubbles on top. Can you see that? Tiny bubbles. So there is some action there. But what I did this morning when I saw it didn't have as many bubbles as that even. So what I did was just added a drop of honey because the yeasts feed off sugar. Of course. So I just put in a little tiny bit just to sort of gee it along. So you could do that. If yours is looking inactive, then put a bit of honey or golden syrup or a drop of, just a sprinkle of sugar. They don't need much at all. So yeah, and we'll just see how that goes. So now I'm just going to wait today before I tip it out and redo that, the replenishing feeding thing. Just so I want this to get better. I want this to get more bubbly. So we might, if yours is looking the same, then maybe do that now. Add a bit of drop of honey, mix it up, and then we'll have another look later this afternoon when it's beer o'clock and see how it's going. But right now we're going to go down the beach. I'm going to see if I can catch a fish. And we're going to find our own bait. So that's the next video coming at you soon. Okay, stay tuned.